this duck is a filter feeder.
How do you know
She
that?
can eat feed because she has little filters. She can eat what?
Oh.
She can filter through water if she wants.
What are you guys doing with this duck this morning?
Making sure she doesn't quack.
But why are you carrying her, Joy?
Then put her in the water. Put her in the deep area, guys. The deep area. Oh my water. Oh my, those water close. Ready? Hey, you might want to back up so she doesn't run away here. Wow.
I think she's missing her family. Because she usually really likes the creek.
I know. But I was helping. I was helping them.
Poor
That's
duck.
actually the mom.
Yeah, that's one of the mama ducks. We are loading up to go to Arthur's parents' garden because we are going to get strawberry plants for them. We're going to dig them up out of their garden and come put them in our garden. This is kind of a dream come true for me because I have planted strawberries out here twice and they got eaten by the deer. It was before we had a good fence, so I kind of gave up. But I'm ready to try again because now we have such a good fence. Since I've been out here, you guys, this is where Arthur and I got married, out here at this property, and it looks totally different because they're building a house. We could reinstate our vows today.
Reinstate?
I don't know what I'm
put
trying
them
to
on
say.
hold?
Build a shed.
Yeah, they put a shed. So we actually lived right where that shed is in a camper for a year too.
Can you open the door?
When we
Mom, will you open the door?
yeah, hold on. When we were saving up and trying to get out of debt and buy our place, we lived in a camper for a year with 3 children. It was not that romantic, even though it sounds romantic. Hi! Priscilla!
Hi. Hi.
I feel like it's been a while since we've seen you, but maybe it's just been a couple weeks.
It has been a while. Yeah.
Nice to see you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good. The giant frisbee.
First thing she did was get it out.
All right.
Are you guys out here working on your new house?
Yeah. Just doing puttering around and in the garden too.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Where are the strawberries, up the hill or down here in the garden?
Down here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. We haven't been out here in months, so we're gonna check out this house real quick before we go dig the strawberries. Joyful, joyful. You can fall backwards right down in there.
I'm so used to that hole, I don't think about that one.
Hi up there.
Hey.
Oh, we have a window in the loft. Okay, let me help with this. Oh my goodness, you guys. Okay, I just have to admit, this completely freaks me out.
Up here, so you won't even know it's here.
Like, the kids can just fall everywhere.
The heat bed or sleeping
And in the attic.
toys.
I told him it's your pet room. Is that what
It's
you
my
said?
pet room.
And
Scariest place.
yeah, that is very
That sort of
scary.
semi-block,
I love this.
hog wire.
Hog wire. Where your hogs at?
Or some people call it.
I don't even have that good of fencing at my farm for my hogs.
It's fun that you can go outside.
This was the strawberry bed here, and strawberry plants spread prolifically, so you can see all these little what are called runners out here. They look like little vines. These look like little vines just spreading out from the mother plants. All the mother plants were here and they've spread out all the way to this little garlic bed. So about 4 feet of spread. So every single runner has plants. It roots along it. Here's a spot where it rooted here. And you can break those connections, and these are independent plants now. Here's another one on that same little runner. Every single one of those rooted spots can turn into a new strawberry plant. So it's easy to spread your strawberries. So basically, one way to do this would be to plant one kind of mother bed, harvest strawberries off of it for 2 years, and your second year you would make another bed, and eventually they'll just be kind of full and messy. But we're thinning this bed out, pulling up a bunch of these runners in the path and starting our own beds at home.
So what you want is the plants that are closest to the mother plants, because they've had the longest time to establish roots, but really fall is the best time to do it, but any time's fine.
Okay.
So by fall, all the plants close to the middle 2 rows have got enough roots to transplant. So
Okay.
by now they should all.
Okay, do you want to give me a lesson on how to do it without hurting the plant?
Yeah, and so I'm just gonna feel around and try to get around the edge of the roots. And you won't get them all by going down. You have to go pretty down straight because you want to get as much roots as you can.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go down the other side
Okay.
and get what I can. You might have to cut around because of all these strings of the grandbaby plants.
Yeah, this
They're
is what
just
she's talking
everywhere.
about.
All the dead ones can just be pulled off.
Okay.
Grandma.
So loosen it all up around.
And those are called runners?
Yeah.
That again.
So you want to make sure you've got some nice roots, and actually you've got 2 plants here.
So this is a lot of work. It may not be the way that you guys want to get strawberries, but it's one way that you can get strawberries for free a lot of times, is because people want their strawberry beds thinned, and it's a lot of work. So you can say, hey, if I come thin your strawberry beds, can I just have the plants? And obviously Grandma is super nice and she's not making me do it by myself. But this will save us quite a bit of money, and considering that we've already spent a lot of money on strawberries that got eaten, I'm pretty thankful to not have to spend more. Okay, so we're just gonna take the roots here. We have wet paper towels, and we're just gonna wrap the roots gently in wet paper towels, just like that. And then we're just gonna put them down in the bucket. Our goal is to get these planted today, but we're pretty far from home. So if we reach that goal, I will be pleasantly surprised. My goal is 50 plants. Do you think 50 plants will fill one of our beds?
Yeah, because you know they're going to spread like crazy.
Okay. So Grandpa, can you tell us which variety of strawberries these are and what you know about them?
These are early glows, and the one season we had strawberries on April 15.
Whoa.
And they are incredible. They're not real big. They're about medium size, maybe a little bit bigger than the end of your thumb. And they are sweet. They taste, to me, like wild strawberries.
Oh, wow.
They're that sweet.
Wow. My strawberry dreams are coming true because I have the bed ready already.
All right.
Because of Grandma and Grandpa coming a few weeks ago, and then now I'm getting my strawberries. One day I hope to have enough strawberries to last us the whole year, because we eat so many strawberries, so many blueberries. You can definitely help with this. Take all the soil off the bottom of our bed and put it back in the hole. And you do. What are you doing? So I want you to get out. Okay, I'm going to show you my bucket. This is how I'm transporting them home. They're nicely stacked and wrapped and wet. Anyway, I highly encourage people to think outside the box when it comes to your homestead. Some things you do have to spend a lot of money on, and some things, if you're willing to work a little bit, you can often get for free or for less expensive. I actually have friends who have come out here and gotten strawberry plants from Edie before, from Grandma and Grandpa before, and their strawberry beds are still going strong even 5 and 10 years later. I don't know about you guys, but you know, we have a very limited income, and so we're always looking for ways to use what we have or get things for free or work in exchange for items, and that way when we need to purchase something we can purchase it and we haven't spent all our money on the little things of homesteading, which can add up really quickly.